Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. Okay, so let's begin with this amazing recipe, True Protein Bar. I've taken, in a cup, I've taken shelled hemp seeds. Do you know how good they are for you? Full of magnesium and they help you sleep well also at night. Now I've got this one ingredient, which are protein balls. I'm not sponsored for this, but they're amazing. You can find them online. They're whey protein isolate balls, or they could be whey protein balls. Now in the same bowl, I've broken up some pecan nuts. You can use almonds, you can use walnuts, you can use a combination of all of them. All the grams are in the description box. Now I'm using 100% dark chocolate, and dark chocolate again so good for you and good for heart health. So I'm really creating a true protein bar, which honestly, if you ask me, it should be put on the market. And I put all these dry ingredients in, and of course my sweetener. Again, I'm hearing great reports about allulose, how it's actually beneficial for your gut health. So I've started using allulose a lot more. So I've mixed it all into my dry ingredient bowl. Now we are done with the dry ingredients. We take another bowl and I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons, or actually the exact gram measurement will be in the description box, so look to that. I'm going to melt the butter, and after melting it, I'm using pistachio butter, but you can use almond butter, peanut butter, walnut butter. I had this bottle lying of pistachio butter and I was seeing how I could put it to use. So I'm using about 2 tablespoons. Grams are in the description box, and the butter is nice and hot. So the pistachio butter, you have to mix it in properly so that it all becomes a nice smooth mixture. Now I'm adding cinnamon. Cinnamon again is great for you. It's optional in this recipe, but it's great for your blood sugar. I'm choosing every ingredient that does some good for you on the keto low carb journey. So I'm mixing all this in. As you can see, it's becoming a nice smooth batter almost. The pistachio butter has melted into the normal butter. The actual butter gives it a lovely flavor, so don't miss out using just butter. Now I put a little sprinkle. I had this cinnamon, sugar-free syrup lying, so I just put literally a dash of it. You can add more sweetener to your dry ingredients if you like, or you can use flavored stevia drops into it, maybe a vanilla flavored stevia drop, and if not, put 1 or 2 teaspoons of vanilla into your liquid ingredients. Now I put the liquid into the dry and I'm mixing really well so that these protein balls get well coated. Okay, I have this bar mold, but if you don't have it, don't worry. Put parchment paper into one of your dishes and lay them into a big block. And then once it'll be frozen, you can cut it into the bar sizes that you like. I think a 9 by 13 or like a 8 by 8 inch. It could be any kind of bowl where you just see what you have a certain height of the protein bars. So if you want them thinner, a bigger bowl, and if you want them thicker, a smaller bowl. So now I've got 9 pretty good size bars out of this. It goes into the freezer for about 3-4 hours, maybe more, 5 hours. And these are the protein crispies I've used. I'm not sponsored, but I got it on the UK Amazon store. And now once it's frozen, you can take them out of this mold and put them into a Ziploc bag and store them in your freezer. Here it is after a few hours in the freezer. This amazing part is these protein balls stay crispy and crunchy even after freezing. And since it's a no bake, look at these beautiful, look, you can see every little ingredient. Thanks for watching and do subscribe. Bye then.